been an ongoing battle between Texas and the Biden administration over this. It's razor wire here along the U.S.-Mexico border, and here in El Paso it goes as far as the eye can see and actually blocks off the Rio Grande right here. So Texas has been arguing that the federal government isn't doing enough to keep people from entering Texas illegally, and this is their response. They've said, we're taking matters into our own hands. But the federal government says that it stops Border Patrol agents from being able to help migrants. And you can actually see some clothes right here along this razor wire. Even though we're talking about this razor wire, it's not about that. It's about who has the power over the border and who makes up his policies and what happens with this. We're bringing in reporter Harrison Parker to talk about some changes that happened today.
That's right. So Texas and the federal government, or the Biden administration, have been having this battle out for years now. And the dispute, as you were saying, is over this razor wire. Does it get in the way of the Border Patrol or the federal government in general doing its job here at the border? A majority of the justices at the Fifth Circuit said it does not. So Texas is going to be allowed to continue with this building.
So what are going to be the next steps from here?
Well, that's a good question. It's up to the Biden administration about whether or not they want to push this one more link up the chain to the Supreme Court and really have a showdown over whether or not they can cut through this.
Well, thank you, Harrison. We'll continue following this. But even though this is one big part of this, there's still a lot of changes happening across all of Texas when it comes